Good day, welcome to my channel. This is Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. And for those who doesn't know me, I'm the host. In my last video, um, it just continues now, and we are still by the non-reactive ways to handle your situation or your circumstances where you find yourself in. Like I said, I myself didn't know that you must not react. But when these entities are projecting the things on your brain, they even project on your brain that you said something. You said this and that and this and that to whomever they want to project on you. And remember, when you have thoughts, when things come up in your brain, for instance, you are thinking something, the whole world can see what you are thinking. This is not a joke. Your thoughts is famous. Your thoughts is famous. Everyone sees what you are thinking because you did not think that. It is what is being projected on your brain. It is a projection, that is why everyone can see what is in what the thoughts that is arising in your brain, because it is a projection. Please, I really, from the bottom of my heart, I want you to understand the things that is rising in your brain, that is a projection, and everyone can see what you are thinking. If it is good, if it is bad, that are being projected on your brain, everyone can see. So I have found myself a few years ago, find myself going to trial where people were making cases against me for saying bad things about them, even from the past. I was saying things from the past. I have violated their rights and many more. And it was feeling like I am going mad because people wanted to make me feel and look mad. Because I'm a teacher, I have a daycare where people work for me, and I'm a Rastafarian, and I don't eat meat, and I all kinds of bad things, and I smoke in my daycare. They were telling all shit nonsense. And I smoke in my daycare, and I smoke where the children are about to learn. I sit and smoke in the classroom, and I teach them Rastafarian stuff. But I have people who worked for me, teachers, but because of my religion in my Rastafari loyalty, they has victimized me on various ways that you can think of. But I found myself going to trial for months and months because people were making cases against me for violating them, saying things about them of the past and things like such. just to put me in a bed light so people can withdraw the kids from my crash, the daycare, so I could lose money. People will people was even breaking in into the daycare several times, but they only break my doors in my and steal things that were standing here that I didn't use the edit Excel specific time. They steal the things and went to go open cases. Then the police told me I can't make cases against the people because I am not sure who took my stuff, who stole the things here in my crash in my yard. I must be sure of who have stolen these things before I can open cases. So I was feeling like a frustrated mad person, and I must kept it for myself because I can't point fingers. I was so depressed that I didn't go nowhere. I don't go to town. I don't even go to the shops. I sent my kids, so I was staying in my house. But although I was staying in the house, and although I didn't go anywhere, people will still provoke me. My neighbors, the people across the street, the people in the other street, it's my society where I find myself in, and it is still, as I am making this video, it still goes on. And then um, I started reacting because I couldn't handle the pressure anymore. And when I find myself, someone tells me this and that and what, then I will tell them back because although I didn't say anything, I will still go to trial because they will still make laying charges against me and I for no reason. So I decided to react anyway because I knew I'm going to be laying charges against um but that was wrong. I shouldn't have. Although they laid charges against me for not saying anything, I must still be quiet and not doing anything. But there was a little incident where it was a specific day when someone was standing in front of my gate and calling me on my name and say, "Come out, I want to do this and that and what, and you can do this and that," and said what and what to people, but I want you to tell me this and that and what and what. And so I reacted. I go out and ask her, "What's your problem?" And we started to arguing. And I find myself come inside the house, and I'm not proud of the, the things that I'm telling now, but this is what happens. Every action has a reaction. And I took the knife and I go stab that person because of I was being provoked. I was being provoked and I was being victimized. And the things they do and still are doing to me is because they are afraid I'm going to reopen my daycare again. The people who worked for me, used to work for me, they are still at home. They are unemployed. It is now been more than 4 years now that they are being unemployed. They are still unemployed, waiting for me to reopen my daycare again. And the people still provokes me because of them being the evil eyes, monitor spirits, and the familiar spirits. And that is why I can tell you, don't react. When people try to provoke you, remember this. You don't owe anyone your emotional reaction. Because before you respond, you must breathe. Breathe deeply. Let the initial surge of emotion pass. Otherwise, you will have serious problems. You will have serious problems, and I can thank the universe that when that lady were laying charges against me for stabbing her, the doctor had X-rays where they have shown the cord that I have stabbed her on 2 places, and I could see and I could smell and I could feel how I am going to jail. But the universe within me, you have the universe within you. You are not human. You are the spirit. And you, as the spirit, can change the things that you want to change outside. You can change it within you. You can change it within you. So as you believe, so it shall be. And I refuse to believe that I am a victim. I change the things within me, the feelings, the anger, the guilt, all that kind of emotions. And I breathe. And that is how I change my inner world. Inside you are a world. And within this world, many of these demons can see within this world and within this world. So I'm pleading to you, choose stillness. It will take nothing from you. Let them go lay charges against you for saying nothing, for projecting the evil thoughts on your brain, and then they feel guilty and they feel ashamed of what you are thinking of them. But it is not you who's thinking the things that arise within your brain. Just as there are someone who are jealous of you, there are people who are jealous from every single person in the world. And when they are not getting the things they want to, they will project the things on someone else's brain. The things that they want to say to that person. So that person they are being projected the things towards is thinking the things that they want to tell that person. So when you are thinking that things, your thoughts are viral. Your thoughts are viral. So everyone can see what you are thinking. If you don't believe me, when you are thinking about other people's past and you see that person again, even when you go to the shop or to the town and you clash that person, you see that person, look at the person's reaction. Then you can tell that that person knows what you were thinking about him or her, because your thoughts are viral. So choose stillness. Sometimes silence says more than words ever could say. Return to your inner sky. Your inner sky. You are the sky. You are the awareness of the things that is happening around you. You are not your situation, not your circumstances. And I have changed my thoughts, my inner world inside of me, and I have changed this reality around me from these toxic people that I am telling you. They still mock me, they still provoke me, they still violating my rights on various reasons and occasions, but I am in control. I control my future, and just like you are the one who is controlling your future. You are the one who's creating your future. The things you want to do and to feel and to have, it starts here. When all negative things are being projected on your brain, tell yourself, this is not my thoughts. And I refuse to accept the things that is coming on my brain. It is not me who was thinking these things. And that is the first step how you can change your inner world. This is the first thing how you can change your inner world and how you can change the things around you. Because nothing is impossible. Everything is possible when you believe it. So don't believe the negative things that arise within your brain or the things that people is telling you to provoke you. You are not the things that they tell you that you are. You are not your circumstances. So be quiet and observe and be still and be in a higher vibration. Breathe. You can stay in that high vibration. The moment you are on this low vibration is the moment these monitor spirits, evil eyes, and familiar spirits can detach itself. When you are on your high vibration, on your calmness, on your peace, keep it that way, stay that way, and don't react to all these negative things. Let them say you have said the things that they want to say. But those who have eyes have seen. Those who have ears, they have heard. And those who got the tongue, they will tell. Although it is not now, but be assured, there is people who are good people. And then there is this evil demon people. But be on your high vibration and don't let anyone change your inner world. You alone can change it. And you can manifest many good things without having to put yourself at risk. Without having to put yourself at risk. People, this is real. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame and I am the host. If you like this topic, I can make another video about it because there's many things I can reveal that I have gone through by these entities. And that is why I can make these videos. So I want you to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can be the first to know when I'm going to make another video. But I'm out, and Lion Paw, one love.